You have found OnStream network error. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, we are going to the settings of your phone, okay. We are going to the settings of your phone, okay, here, and okay, we are going, okay, to the settings of general, okay, and here, okay, we are going to the storage, okay, here go to storage, and if you have more storage, okay, you uninstall, okay, apps unnecessaries, okay. The second step, okay, we are going to the updates of your software, okay, and if you have updates, okay, in your software in Android or iPhone, okay, you update the software, okay, and you solve the problem on OnStream, okay. Bye bye.